If you're sick of the mess and clutter and just don't love your house and want to know where to start, it's in your bedroom. Your bedroom has power, like legit power over your life, because it's the first thing you see when you open your eyes and the last thing you see when you go to sleep. And you know, the gurus say, make your bed every day. It sets the tone for your day. It also sets the tone when you love your bedroom, when you love the space, when you walk into your bedroom or look at it and you make this sound. Every time you walk into it, that's when you know you're doing it right. And it will affect every other aspect of your life if you feel like this is an oasis. I do not feel that way about this space. It's nice, it's pretty, but it's a little Addams Family for me. It's just not my taste. So when I look at this space, I don't go, I go, ugh. Let's fix that right now. Okay, so it's day one of the bedroom makeover, and we've hired our favorite painters to paint this room white. It's not that I don't love the gray, I just am addicted to painting rooms white right now. It instantly transforms the space. All the rooms that we've painted white have instantly made it feel bigger and brighter, and I'm addicted to it, so that's exactly what we're doing in the bedroom too. And then I'm gonna have them remove the wallpaper off the bottom and paint that white too. So day two of the makeover has turned into a bit of a disaster. The paint up top looks awesome. We were just gonna take the wallpaper off and paint the bottom, but it's literally taking off chunks of wall, and it's uneven. It's like they mudded it with drywall mud and then put the wallpaper on with the drywall mud still wet. Total disaster. We're maybe gonna try to just cover it with inexpensive molding. Wallpaper's so expensive and such a pain, and I just wanted it to be neutral, but that means baseboard's gotta go. This chair rail might have to go. I don't know. I'm feeling stressed, you guys. Mistakes were made in here. I love the molding. I think it looks beautiful and it has that like country feel, but everything's white. It's too white in here. The bed's white, the walls are white, the up, the bottom, the furniture is white. It feels a little bit like an insane asylum, so I want to add pops of color. At first I was going to do like blue or something. I went to the fabric store to find curtains to make inexpensive curtains, but the fabric I found I thought was on sale for $10 a meter. It was not. And $35 a meter is way out of my price point. So instead, I got these gorgeous curtains on Wayfair. Nobody loves them but me. Everybody who's seen them makes this face. They make this face. They're hideous, Cass. What in the grandma loving, colorful, what is happening? But I am obsessed with them. They feel fun and they feel like, I don't know, they're gonna make a beautiful focal point. I just have to find a way of making this be the focal point and also still feel modern and not feel too country, because I don't really want that for this bedroom. I want it to feel like sophisticated country. So I'm gonna take one of these panels to the store and shop while Joe hangs the curtain rods. I was just heading out the door to go shopping. I'm bringing the curtains and I see that the rug I ordered came early. I'm worried it's not gonna be the right color or it's gonna be too much color. So let's peek before we go. It's definitely darker than I thought because these curtains are bright enough. The navy is not the right shade. You think this teal's too off from this teal?
It just doesn't match. There's all kinds of things wrong with it.
I think you guys are wrong. I think this is gonna be okay. Onward and upwards. Let's go shopping. Nobody likes these curtains but me. So we're here at HomeSense. We really only have 2 home stores in the whole town. So I'm hoping to find something, except it's Christmas. So 90% of what they have out right now is like holiday decor. But I'd like to find color without it feeling like, like a daycare center or too much color. I'm just gonna see what they have. The choices are limited. We're gonna try to make the best. So come on in and shop with me. So everything's Christmas, right? So they have like one aisle of pillows. I brought the curtains. I don't know. They don't really have anything. Maybe these, but these are a little too green. They have like a mustardy yellow. Is that the right yellow though? It could work. They have no blue. Why? Am I blind? So it's been disappointing. I did find pillows that I like, but not another extra pillow. And none of these blankets are the right color. I'm looking for mustard. There's no mustard anywhere. So I'm gonna look at artwork. It's like I'm giving up on the bed, on to artwork. Not a lot of great options here, but this one it has like the gold, which is close to mustard, and a lot of the bluey teal. And I like the frame. So maybe this is a possibility, and then maybe just going with a framed mirror over the fireplace. Joey! I love them. Like, I legit love them so much. Nothing I bought is gonna match though. Like, look,
That's not.
that's not gonna match. But they're gorgeous. I'm just gonna have to go back to the store. What do you guys think? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Joey. Like, I really, like, legit love them. Basically, all the things I bought, I feel like they're not working because the curtains are so powerful and so beautiful. I don't want to distract from them. You know what I mean? So I'm going to take this out of the box and just see. I felt like originally that was going to go up here on top of the dresser. So I feel like this might be too small for this space. I'm just going to take it out and see if it's too tiny. Because it's a big fireplace. And then like this little dinky mirror. Okay, so it is small. It's small. I want it to be really simple. So maybe if I have a couple of vases here. Yeah, I think this will work. I think this will work. I'm going to try the throw. And now that I see this throw, it looks like kind of brown, whereas that looks really like vibrant. The pink is coming through more than the yellow almost. So I think I got to return this too. I feel like everything I bought, I have to take back to the store because you just don't know until the curtains are up. You know what I mean? Okay, back to the drawing board. Time for the rug! But now that I see the curtains up in the room and all the other things I bought that don't match, I'm a little bit scared. So I'm gonna pull this sucker out, see what it looks like, because I really don't want to take away from the curtains. Fingers crossed it looks okay, because this will be a nightmare to ship back. Oh my god, you're so heavy. This is giant. I need to work out. Da, 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 da. So Joe said this navy blue isn't the right color, and he's not wrong. But I wonder if we tuck the navy blue on the other side, if both sides have navy. Oh my god, it might have got too big. It's really big. I should have measured. Joe's always like, ever hear of a measuring tape? I wish I could talk to you guys in real life. What do you think? Too big? The wrong colors? Distracting from the curtains? This part I love. This part isn't right. I'm not just going to keep this and every day wish it looked different. So I'm going to return. I feel like I'm returning everything. Like, what's going to be different? But yeah, it's just not working. So I'm going to fold it up and send it back. Goodbye, rug. I'm so sad. I am struggling with every aspect of this room. Before, I just put up these dollar store frames and printed off some like lovey-dovey couples photos and wedding photos, and I had those above the bed, and I thought I was just going to put those back up, but then Joe admitted he hates these photos. Not that he hates these photos, he just doesn't like looking at himself when he crawls into bed. He's an odd guy. I think it's sweet and romantic. He's like, no, but also I'm wondering if this might be too busy. Maybe not. The other alternative is something called line art. I just printed these off the computer and it's like romantic, artsy, simple looking pictures that kind of maybe go with a more modern theme that I'm thinking about. So I don't know. I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna like visualize those and then maybe put these in the dollar store frames and stand back and see which ones look better. Thoughts? Thoughts, friends? I don't know. This is called line art. I like it because it's simple and I don't really want too much. Like the curtains are so much. We don't want to take away from them. But is this too little? Question mark. So I decided to go with the photos. I don't know. I just love them. Sorry, Joe. He doesn't like them, but he gets the garage. Okay, I'm gonna hang them with 3M strips. I'm just gonna guesstimate and hope this works out because levels are for suckers. Measuring tapes, who needs one? I also have Emily behind the camera, who's my eyes. She's really good at this, thank goodness. It's straight, it's level, it looks fabulous. 3M strips for the win. It also looks exactly the same that it did before. This is turning out to be a budget makeover because I'm not actually changing very much, but it looks good. Now it's time for finishing touches. This bedroom makeover has been a journey. I bought like almost $1,000 worth of stuff to transform it, and I didn't use 99% of it. But it still looks really different, which I think honestly has been a cool experience to show you that you don't need a lot to make a big transformation. Like just a coat of paint, it looks so much different. Just new curtains. That was really the big and the only big thing I did in this space. So I hope you're feeling really motivated looking at your own bedroom for 2024. Gift yourself a new fresh bedroom. Ask for Christmas, ask for pillows or curtains or a new bedspread. That's all you really need to fall in love with your bedroom all over again, to feel proud. And your bedroom, again, has power. If you wake up every day and you look at your space and you go, this is beautiful, you're happier, your mood is boosted, and that will continue on the rest of the day. So treat yourself or have someone else treat you to a beautiful bedroom for 2024 because you deserve it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. One of the ways that I convinced Joe that we needed to move was I was like, I'm out of ideas. I'm out of rooms to make over or spaces to give updates to or reorganize. We need a new house, Joe. I'll have YouTube content for years. We haven't even lived here 3 months, and we have one room left to make over. It's just, most of it I didn't even film. Honestly, I got so excited. I was like organizing everything and just putting things together, and I filmed none of it. None of it. Doing DIYs, I did all these projects. We've done like whole rooms, we've done little makeovers, and I forgot to turn on a camera. I am not good at this. But there we go. So I'm out of content for 2024. I have no idea what I'm going to film, so I have an idea. What if, would you guys like to see virtual organizing makeovers of your space? Like you guys apply and send in photos of your space or videos of what's working and what's not working, and I'll give you ideas and suggestions, and then you'll send me the afters, and we can turn that into videos. I think this would be really fun for 2024. Let me know if this is something you would be interested in. And if the answer is yes, we'll put together like a special email for you so you can email in photos and videos. And maybe that will be what we'll focus on for 2024, because this house is like, I'm out. I'm already out. 3 months, either we move again or I organize for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.